Okay, so this question is asking us, we already have 50 microliters, okay, so in a little tube, say currently there are 50 microliters in this tube. The concentration of this protein is 2 milligrams per milliliter. Okay, so it means that if we had, and again in English, if we had 1 milliliter of this solution, then we would have 2 milligrams of the protein. Okay, so again, remember there's an invisible 1 that sits over there. In 1 milliliter of the solution, there are 2 milligrams of protein. Okay, if we had 2 milliliters, there would be 4 milligrams of the protein. But the thing is, we don't have 1 mil, we don't have 2 milliliters, we have 50 microliters. Okay, so let's start by converting this 2 milligrams per milliliter into micros. So 2 milligrams per milliliter can be, let's just write it up again here, per milliliter. This can be written as 2 micrograms per microliter. Again, just down converting the prefixes there. The step that we've skipped here is essentially saying that, well, 2 milligrams is equal to 2,000 micrograms, and 1 milliliter is equal to 1,000 microliters. And this boils down to, if we cancel out the zeros, 2 micrograms per microliter. Okay, so that goes via that missing step to go down to this 2 micrograms per microliter. Okay, so the concentration of 2 milligrams per milliliter can be expressed as 2 micrograms per microliter. This, again, in English means that if we take out, or if we had 1 microliter of this particular solution, in this 1 microliter would be 2 micrograms. The thing is, we don't have 1 microliter, we have 50 microliters. Okay, we have 50 microliters. To get from 1 to 50, we have multiplied by 50. Therefore, to get from 2 to whatever this is, we also multiply by 50. And this will be 100 micrograms. Okay, so this is saying that in the 50 microliters that we have of the solution, there are 100 micrograms of this protein. Now, 100 micrograms is equivalent to 0.1 milligrams, because 1,000 micrograms is equivalent to 1 milligram. Okay, which means that in this 50 microliters, okay, in this 50 microliters, we have 100 micrograms of this protein, also known as 0.1 milligrams of the protein.